As you may know, I like mixing things up a bit. Today, I bought sausage wors, boerewors, Grauwbou boerewors, specifically at Pick n Pay hypermarket in Bloemfontein. So, let's taste it. That's what it looks like. Okay. Bit salty, but very nice. I rate the Grauwbou boerewors as 7.6 out of 10. Now, I made my dinner just to show you. Wors, tomato, elite cheddar cheese, eggs, and some sauces and some gherkins. But yeah, love you guys. Till next time.